Okay, welcome to this live session. I am sorry for the delay due to technical reasons. A bit late, but we are still on track. So there is no need to waste further time. Remember, this week is our NFP week, so we should be a bit careful, especially with the American dollar crosses. And unfortunately, it seems the one setup that we are having to trade right now is coming from the American dollar axis. And today is Tuesday, so we have Wednesday and Thursday to monitor that trade before the NFP on Friday. Okay. All right. Let's go through the chart very quickly. Like I said, I don't want to waste your time or waste my time because I have gone through all 28 major currency crosses and I am only finding just one pair suitable for trading, at least based on my trading strategy or on my trading style. Okay, let's see the euro against the American dollar in the forward time frame. We talked about this pair earlier on. Excuse me. Price came all the way to retest that key level of support and failed to break that level of support. You can see the rejection happening there, but it is still too early. Excuse me. It is still too early, so we cannot conclude that it's a bounce right now. Okay, that price has failed, but okay, my voice is overlapping. Okay, thanks Shahid for that feedback. Let me just make a quick reset. Okay, my voice should be fine right now. I think everything should be okay now. All right, the euro against the American dollar bang off that key level of support that we did analyze before. Okay, all right, Lan, the sound is fine. So that's the reaction you can see from here. We got a solid pin bar of the forward time frame. You can see that pin bar there. That's a solid pin bar. But I don't really want to trade the euro against the American dollar for this time because I'm not really liking the price action. So I have an alternative, which is also an American dollar pair. So let's keep this one aside. But we are aware that price is reacting off support level. At worst, we will be having a flat bottom triangle. Let me keep this in the 1 hour time frame. Okay, at worst, we'll be having a flat bottom triangle. That's a confirmation of that low already. So even if price is to go up, this will be the next level of resistance. And I am sure price might be trapped within this box before the NFP on Friday. Okay, so this is of course a good level of support to keep in mind right now. All right, let's look into the New Zealand dollar against the Swiss franc. Nothing much to talk about here. I only want to show you that price is trading around a very risky area. You should not be hitting on your sell button against that area. You can see the counter trend line here. It has been holding price as support. In fact, it is a channel. Okay, so right here is support, but there is no solid bounce for us to take any entry, so we are not trading here. But in case you are following this pair, this is just an additional information for you to add to your strategy, that there is a level of support here. So if you are trading off the shorter time frames, you don't really want to go short around that area. Okay, and finally the sterling pound against the American dollar. This is the pair that I am looking to trade. Let me take out these levels. Right, I am sure most of you are familiar with this type of setup already. There was a trend line, even though that trend line is not quite a very strong trend line. We got the breakout of that trend line. Since we have got the pullback to retest the trend line or even the breakout point, more of a trend collapse. But I am trading the bounce pattern. Okay, I'm trading the breakout, pullback, bounce pattern. This is the pullback right here to this candle being a pin bar. It's the bounce candle I am looking to trade. Most times if we're looking to trade a trend collapse, before the green candle close, it is somewhere in here, too high, far away from, so I don't really want to miss that first move. It is not the best of setups. It is actually not a very high quality setup, so but I'm just going to take it because for this week I haven't taken any trade at all. This is my first trade for this week because there hasn't been any valid setup for me to trade. So since price has broken out of that trend line, I will be looking for pushes to the upside in the reversal formation of this original push of this trend line. If you also look into the 4 hours time frame, okay, yeah, good, you will see that we are also having a possible flat bottom triangle, just like in the euro against the American dollar. Sorry, I'm delaying this video so the market can close before I take this trade. I don't want to be paying swap charges, okay, for this trade. So we are also taking this trade off support level. Okay, we are buying off support, which also makes sense. In the 1 hour time frame, you will also notice that this trend line here in the 1 hour time frame has also been broken. Okay, that trend line has been broken, so price now has room to push to the upside. So all of this put together is really enticing me to go long in this pair. So in the daily time frame, the market should be okay. I think the market is closed right now, so I'll be taking this trade. Okay, market has just opened for a new day, so I will be taking this trade. My stop loss, we don't need to take our stop losses too far. I'll just keep it somewhere in here. That's it. You can see the stop loss value. All right, I'm using my lot size calculator, the Pro lot size calculator. I have applied it already in the chart. I'm risking 2%. This is the recommended lot size. It's about 75 pips difference from entry to a stop loss level. The first profit target is supposed to be somewhere in here, but if I find any reason to take first profit somewhere around in here, I will do that. Okay, that's why you'll be prompted in the Telegram channel. The entries around current price, it might not be the same for all of us. Just take note of the stop loss level. So if you are using this lot size calculator, it's quite easier for you to trade because all the information is just here. So all I have to do is to drag my levels. Let me be more precise with my levels. As soon as I drag my levels, you will see how those values change. You can see them changing. You can see the adjustment. All right, so let's take the trade. So I'm taking this trade with 2.06 lot. This is my first trade for the week. $2.06 lot. Stop loss is 1.27753 level. Okay, I like to keep my profit target open. I don't like to just I like to keep it open. All right, most times if any fundamental events happen and I get that heavy spike, I used to be in nice profit. What I don't keep open is my stop loss. The stop loss must be there. Okay, so I'm taking the trade right now. Be bold, be brave, take the trade. We know we are risking just 2%, so be very bold. Even if price hit our stop loss, we will dust ourselves back up, look for the next trading opportunity. All right, every trade is a risk, so I hope I have done my homework here. Sorry, just one more thing. Let me see the inside Oracle indicator. Just one more thing inside. Okay. The inside is not giving us good values here. Push up, down, down. 80% correlation. Okay, there seems to be some differences here. I think that's where it's getting it wrong. Okay. Like I said, it's a bit of a low quality setup, but let's just take the trade. Okay, I already have my trade parameters set, so I'm going long, taking this trade straight on. All right, trade is taken. That's it. Let it run. All right, that's basically all. Thanks for being here. If you have questions or contributions, feel absolutely free. Trading doesn't have to be that stressful. You really actually need time for your social life, your family, and other jobs. Don't spend too much time looking at the screen at 247. If the trading opportunity is not there, walk away, come back next time, check. You might find something to trade. Do not force any trade. If you take a trade, stick to the plan. We'll be talking again, hopefully before the London market opens tomorrow. You have a nice time. Bye bye.